Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are diving into the power of luxury beauty. Not just what looks good on a shelf, but what truly delivers. I always say the luxury begins with the skin, and we will start with a Lancome product. Yes, I love that serum so much. Look at that. This serum is more than just skincare. It's a small daily ritual that makes a big difference. Every time I apply it, it feels like I'm doing something truly kind for my skin. My skin looks plumper, smoother, and more radiant, almost like I've just had a facial. Almost like a glass skin look, isn't it? That soft, well rested, well hydrated look we all hope for. This helps me get there, especially since my skin leans on the dry side. Yes, it's summertime. If you're looking for one product that does a bit of everything, hydration, brightening, smoothing, and feels luxurious while doing it, this serum might be worth the investment. The finish it gives is honestly wow, like glass skin level of glow, smooth, clear, dewy, almost like a real life Photoshop filter. I like to use it in my routine, not just because it works long term, but because it makes my skin look immediately better. And if you've ever wanted that clean, glossy, healthy skin look, this is it in a bottle. The next one is foundation. I've tested many foundations, and when it comes to luxury, the expectations are high for a reason, and it gives a beautiful luminous finish without ever looking oily or shiny. Coverage is medium. What I love most is how it creates the look of expensive skin, and perfectly polished, it looks just as stunning in real life as it does on camera. For me, this is the gold standard, the foundation that makes your skin look incredible and helps take care of it. It's made with a hyaluronic acid, so it's not just makeup, it's a skincare too. And I apply it with a synthetic blending brush, which helps it melt into the skin really smoothly. At first, you might think the shade looks too yellow, especially right after application. But here's the thing, I always wear SPF, so my face is naturally lighter than the rest of my body. Just look at the difference between my face and my hands. My hands, neck, and chest are different shades. Yes. And your face shouldn't look like it belongs to a different person, so it should blend it with the rest of your body. And that's why I choose a foundation that's a few tones darker than my bare face. When you see me from a distance, it all looks balanced and natural, not yellow, not orange, just even, warm, and healthy looking skin. That I keep picking a shade that matches your overall tone, not just your face in isolation. And when you get it right, it makes all the difference. I have to mention a piece that isn't makeup, but somehow elevate everything around it. My IDYL diamond earrings. These are my very first diamond starts, and I generally love both the design and the idea behind them. They are made with a real lab-grown diamond, so not only are they beautiful, but they are also something you can wear every day. It's simple, it's elegant, and of course it's timeless. The kind of jewelry that quietly makes a statement. What really makes them smart is how versatile they are. It's like a little jewelry construction set. You invest once in a pair of classic diamond studs. I went for the petite size. And then you can switch out the charms depending on your mood or outfit. One pair, endless possibilities. And for real diamonds, the price is surprisingly fair, all thanks to the fact that they are lab grown. It's thoughtful, sustainable, and feels like one of those purchases that just makes sense. It reminds me of that quiet luxury we all appreciate, like a tailored white blazer, a really good lipstick, or your favorite pair of heels. Today I'm pairing them with a white jacket, clean, simple, and again, timeless. And care kit includes everything you need to keep them in perfect condition. One shine serum, one exfoliating brush, and one silk cloth. From the moment you hold it, you know it's special. The case alone feels like a piece of art. Mine is a soft gold with a pretty tortoiseshell pattern, and it looks like a little treasure tucked inside my handbag. Color payoff is rich without being heavy, and it wears comfortably throughout the day. In the world of luxury beauty, it becomes something closer to artistry. The texture itself is something special, silky, sheer, but perfectly buildable. It gives the cheeks the most natural flawless blush, never harsh or powdery. I like to apply it with the lightest hand, building it slowly in soft layers. It's about subtlety, that barely there presence that makes people wonder if it's makeup or just incredibly good skin. Wearing this feels like wearing a whisper of color, elegant, refined, and perfectly blended into the skin. It doesn't try too hard, and that's exactly why it works so beautifully. It's not just blush, it's elegance pressed into the powder. When it comes to eyes, I often find that less is more, but it has to be the right kind of less. It's a hybrid, part eyeshadow, part lip liner. Sometimes I use it like for waterline, and it glides on like silk. No patchiness at all, just smooth, creamy color that you can build or blend in seconds. What I love the most is how easy it is. You don't need multiple brushes or complicated steps. You can use your fingers, just brush or even smudge it straight from the stick. And it still looks soft and refined. It gives that gentle, hazy definition like a subtle shadow that adds depth and shape without looking like a full-on eye look. Today I didn't even wear mascara, just this, and honestly, that's what luxury makeup means to me. Not loud or overdone, but thoughtful and elevated, even when it's minimal. So, is luxury beauty always worth it? Not necessarily, but the ones I've shared with you today, they are. Let me know in the comments which luxury products do you swear by or which ones are on your wish list. Don't forget to share it with someone who also believes in quality over quantity. Until next time, have a beautiful weekend. Bye.